Hello everyone. In this video we'll talk about stop words and we'll try to understand what are those, when to use, right? So this is one of the common steps that we need to perform at the initial level of data pre-processing for especially natural language processing. This step will remove most common words like the, and, is, for, not, etc. because these words won't make any sense in NLP. If you go for document classification, sentiment analysis, in that case we can remove the stop words, as they really don't make any sense or they won't add any value or information to our model. you know for example, we can also see stop words like this. When a word is occurring frequently across the document, then also we call it stop words. Obviously, when you see the, and, is, are, right, these are the common words that occurs frequently in a document, right? So there are some specific words, like domain specific words, that will also occur commonly, right? We can also call it the stop words. For example, so I said domain specific words, right? So we'll take an example. For example, I have a list of documents or books for software engineering, right? That includes different programming languages, operating system, databases, so whatnot, right? In this case, most of the books will have some common words like programming, software, right, databases. In this case, I can call those words as a stop words, right? As I said, in this particular case, like the word programming, the word software, right? Because these words will occur in most of the documents, right? It's a frequent occurring word, so obviously we can also call these words as a stop words. So I'm repeating myself: the domain specific words which occur frequently, we can also call those words as in stop words, right? So when you talk about, like, the language translation, maybe you were translating from English to Telugu or some other language, right? Then obviously the stop would make sense, right? Especially the words like the, and, because we are literally translating from one language to another language. In this case, obviously this stop words makes lot of sense, right? And also we have to be very careful when we are removing the stop words. For example, right, if you see here, I am not satisfied with the movie. If I remove not, one of the stop word, then the meaning of the context will change. It will be I am satisfied with the movie, right? So we have to, so here, if you see here, right, I said, like, in sentiment analysis, it may not make sense. Yes, it may not make sense, like if you take the words like the, and, is, for. But if you take some stop words like not happy, not satisfied, in that case definitely the stop would not make sense, make a lot of sense in the context, right? So we have to be very careful when we are uh, dealing with the stop words, right? So hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe in the next video we'll talk about word tokenizer. That is also one of the prerequisites for NLP. So till then, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.